Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to cancel plan on Revolut. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up your Revolut application and log into your account. So I'm going to open up my account and I'm logging in now. Alright, so I've already logged into mine. Okay, so once I've logged into your account, so what you're going to do now here is on your top left here, click on your profile and then scroll down and you will see an option called plan. So click on plan. And here, if you have already upgraded your account, so you should see what your current plan is. For example, you have already updated to a premium or a metal account here. Then you can just just click on it. Right at the moment, mine is under standard. So if you have a premium or metal, just click on it, and then you'll see options to cancel your account once you click on it. See, since I don't have the upgraded plan, I'm unable to show you exactly, but when you click on the plan, you should have the option to cancel the plan, or else in the situation where you are unable to cancel it by yourself, so you can just hit on the new chat option and then go and chat with the customer service and let them cancel it for you. They can simply once you chat and let them know you want to cancel it, they can do that for you. So it's pretty easy though actually. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.